Attention and PJ Solier.
Ba't parang masakit na paa ni ate? Pagod na. Okay lang yun. Why? Wow, nag-video pala si Kevin. S4.
2013 has been a year filled with heaps of blessings from the Almighty God, and winning this pageant is surely one of them. I met Mr. Mel Fernandez while reading the Filipino Migrant newspaper during a Migrante film showing in this same venue. He invited me to join this pageant, which seeks to highlight the Filipino culture in both the Philippines and here in New Zealand. The Maginoo at Binibining Filipino News Cultural Pageant gave me the opportunity to appreciate where I came from, grow as an individual, and make lifelong friends. I would like to thank Mr. Mel Fernandez and Ms. Sheila Mariano, the Dream Team, TV3NZ, my CFC FFL family, friends, and St. Patrick Filipino community for their unending support, my younger sister Katie for her patience and understanding, and of course I thank the Lord for giving me strength and guidance, for without Him, this wouldn't be possible. Lastly, I would like to thank my mom. Ma'am, maraming salamat sa oras, sa effort, at sa sacrifices that you made for me. Ngayon, ipinagmamalaki ko na sa lahat ng tao na nandito ngayon na napakaswerte ko dahil ikaw ang naging nanay ko. Throughout the year, I have taken part in giving aid to the Typhoon Haiyan victims through sorting donations and participating in fundraising activities. It is amazing that all of us here tonight are part of this memorable event that aims to help our countrymen back home and at the same time showcasing your talent and beauty. Let us remember to always help others, whether it be big or small. Rest assured, it will surely make a difference in their lives. As for you, our lovely 2014 candidates, I hope you have enjoyed this wonderful experience, and I humbly pass on to you an advice that my good-looking dad told me a year ago.
Yeah!
Gaining experience is already a victory. Winning will just be a bonus. Dito nagsimula ang lahat, at dito rin magtatapos ang lahat. This is Ayla Luis Sayrine Matencio, your Binibining Filipino News, New Zealand 2013. Wishing you all the best, and may God bless us all. Thank you.